Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI 11T, and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So first you should go to the Settings app and scroll down to the additional settings. Now we got here the gesture shortcuts section, and here for example we can launch the camera by the double press to the power button. And now we'll check that. Yeah, as can you see, this function is activated now. Now we just will go back and we'll try to activate this function with the double press of volume down. When our screen is locked, we can also launch the camera. Yeah, as can you see, that's really worked. Okay, now we'll go also back, and here we get the turn on the torch by double pressing on the power button. So now we'll check that. Yeah, as can you see, this function is activated right now. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.